Hey, welcome back, friends and family. Today we're going to have a pretty fun day, but it's going to be like musical cars. So we have to, first of all, we're going to go down and hook my truck up. We're heading to Jeff's farm, and we're going to hook my truck up, and we're going to pull the 49 Chevy off of it that has been in it because we're going to that show in 2 weeks. So we're pulling it off, and then we're going to put the Dreamsicle in it, the 55 Chevy, because it goes to paint tomorrow at noon. Tomorrow's Sunday, so it goes to paint tomorrow at noon. And then we have to pull Jeff's 55 Ford truck off of his trailer, which has been in a trailer because he's going to the show in 2 weeks. And we're going to head down to Tony got us, and we're going to pick up the Novocaine, that his Chevy too. It's been on I've did a video on it before, a whole video on it. So anyway, it's going to be a fun day. So right now we're going down here. I'm going to hook up with Mike and Jeff, and we're going to get started. Stick around.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up and see the breeze. My imagination of her body.
Alright, we got the 49 out. I'm gonna back this bad boy up and we're gonna get the Dreamsicle pushed up in it. We just came out of that barn. Alright, get her backed up. So windy out today, goodness gracious. Alright, 55's on the truck. Finally going out for paint tomorrow. I'm so excited about that. A few things I don't like, so as you'll see. Alright, off to paint. Alright, that one's back in until tomorrow. Jeff's hooked up, we gotta get the 55 off of it. Sweet. All right, so we got the 49 in here, and then we're going to bring the 55 in here until we get back. Then I'm going to put both of these over the other side, well, except for this one. This one's going to sit for a day or two. And then we're going to go pick up that Novocaine. We're going to take it back to Jeff's shop and check our route. So Tony's been having some issues with the Novocaine. He drove it, everything was fine, pulled it into the garage, went to pull it back out, and gears are grinding. So we think something's off at the linkage between the pressure plate or whatever. So we're just going to have a quick look at it and get him back on the road. The old Novocaine going for a test drive. Do a burnout! Oh, I can't help myself. So he's having clutch issues. We tore it all apart. He couldn't get it in gear without it grinding. We tore it all apart, checked everything, put it back together because we didn't see anything wrong. And now it's working. Go figure. Looks like she left well. We'll see. All right, so the Novocaine is back running, and he was having problems grinding gear, so Jeff adjusted the linkage on it, and we got her back running pretty good. So just going to do a few more things while it's still wintertime. We got the old rusty bumper inside here. That was a good day moving cars around and stuff like that. And tomorrow we take the Dreamsicle down to Circle W and drop it off for some paint work. So I can't wait to do that. So anyway, it was a pretty good day. Now we're going to go out and eat some dinner. We realized we hadn't ate since breakfast, so time to eat some food. All right, see you guys. All right, finally going to get this paintwork fixed. A lot of shit I don't like about it and never have, so going to get her done. 56 they're doing. Just buffing it out. So he's going to go through this, fix some of the body stuff that I don't like, some fish eyes and stuff like that, and maybe put it in another clear. And also I'm having under the hood done orange, and then all of the firewall and stuff done in black. So check back for more updates. Thanks guys for watching. Hit that sub button, hit the like button.